Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to distribute a web survey using Mailchimp. This is a powerful way to gather feedback from your subscribers and understand your audience better, all within the platform you already use for email marketing. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com, then press enter. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on Login. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Mailchimp credentials, so go ahead and enter those details to access your account. After logging in, you'll land on your Mailchimp dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the left navigation panel and click on Audience. This section is where you manage all your contacts and engagement tools. Once you click it, you'll see an expanded menu appear with several options. From this menu, select Surveys. This will take you to the Survey Management area where you can view and create surveys. On the Surveys page, you'll see a list of all the surveys you currently have in your Mailchimp account. If you're new to this feature, the list might be empty, but don't worry, we're about to create one. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click on Create New Survey. A dialog box will appear asking you to choose a name and audience for your survey. Pick a descriptive name that reflects what you're asking about and select the audience you want to target, then click Begin to move forward. Now you're on the survey creation page, which is where the magic happens. Click on the plus button to start building your first question under the section that says, "What would you like to learn from your subscribers and audience?" Mailchimp offers various question types to choose from, including multiple choice, rating scales, and open-ended responses. For this demonstration, we'll select checkboxes, which allows respondents to select multiple answers. Next, type in your question in the provided field, then add the answer options below it. If you need more answer choices, simply click the plus button to add additional selections. Take your time here to make sure your question is clear and the options cover all the responses you're expecting. Once you're satisfied with your question setup, click on Continue to Design at the top right corner of your screen. You'll now be taken to the customization field where you can make your survey visually appealing and on brand. Click on Branding to add images to your survey. This could be your company logo, a brand image, or something that relates directly to the survey topic. Adding visuals helps create a more professional and engaging experience for your respondents. After adding your branding, move on to the custom messaging section. Here you'll add messages for the survey title, confirmation message, and close survey message. These messages guide your respondents through the survey experience, so make them welcoming and clear. Once that's done, check the Styles tab to adjust the colors that fit your brand identity and overall style. When you're happy with how everything looks, click on Review to see a preview of your survey. On the overview page, you have a few final options to configure. You can adjust the survey name if needed and enable immediate notifications or daily summaries so you stay updated on responses as they come in. This is particularly useful if you want to monitor feedback in real time. Once you've made these adjustments, click on Continue. Finally, you'll reach the Sharing Your Survey screen. This is where Mailchimp gives you multiple options for distributing your survey. You can copy a URL link to share directly, send it via email to your audience, or share it on social media platforms. Choose the distribution method that best fits your campaign goals and audience preferences. And there you have it, you've successfully created and prepared your web survey for distribution using Mailchimp. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.